Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For today's episode, we are going to be baking a cute little Pikachu cake. I am celebrating my baby's first birthday this weekend, so I have made him a cake that is going to be Pikachu themed. I got this idea from this famous baker, Rosanna. I can't say her name. It's Paka something, but I'll probably just show you guys her handle afterwards. I'm gonna get started. So what I've done already, I have already baked my cake in this 6-inch pan. I did 3 of the cakes already, and what I have done already, what I will do to start off, I am going to go ahead and get my frosting. It is yellow, and I am going to place it on a 6-inch tablet or whatever they're called. Excuse my language. And I'm just going to put a little dab right here. And I'm going to get one of the bases. I have sliced the top off already. I will show you guys in a bit how I did that. And we're going to place it right here. And what that dab does, it helps the piece of cake stick to the little cardboard thing. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to get, oops, having a little bit of troubles here. You wanna see the cake? Okay, so we're just gonna do a layer right here. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then we're gonna do one in the middle. And so what we're gonna do next, we're gonna put the next piece right here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I did the other 2 pieces. So what I did, I got my little pan right here. I flipped it, and we take the paper off. And I got a knife. I got a knife. And all I did was cut the top.
Yeah, I got an ice. And the ice.
Yes, Mama. Deja ahí, Mami.
What is this?
Okay. So here's the top. And here's how it looks. So now we are going to move forward to finishing this cake. So we're going to go back and do another set right here. Okay. And this part, we're going to flip it upside down.
You're making cake?
I am making cake.
So yummy.
So yummy. Okay. So we got our 3 layers. And now, what we're going to do is we're going to cover the cake again.
But then a Pikachu?
Yes.
That I'm making a Pikachu?
And I'm not an expert, guys. I just like to do this for fun.
Whoa!
Whoa. Mommy, you're on top of Junior. Okay. So I got this little thing right here. I don't know what it's called. But what we're going to do is we're just going to flatten it out. So we're going to turn right here at an angle.
And then
Yeah.
And the ice.
Okay guys, I'm back. Baby just woke up from a nap, so he's really cranky. We are gonna get the pipette and then just do the bottom right here. And what I've learned is that it's okay if you smear, because you can just clean it up. I'm back. I'm having some technical difficulties with the baby. He just woke up from a nap and had immunizations this morning, so I think he's really sore and cranky, so he's crying a lot. I had to hold him in my arms for a good while for him to stop. So next up, we're just gonna get our little spatula and rotate the table around to make sure we can get all that buttercream all over the place. Just like this.
You want a kitchen? You want in the kitchen?
I am in the kitchen.
You're making a cake?
I am.
So yummy.
So yummy.
I want it.
Tomorrow for my Mai's birthday.
Some. I want to see a cake.
Ahorita te lo enseño.
I want it. I want it. Mommy, please.
Hey guys, so once we have completed the cake, it looks a little messy right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean it once I chill it for a bit. So the next step is to put on the base. So I made the eyes already. Again, we are making Pikachu. I made the mouth. It looks a little ugly, I know, but I'm gonna clean it, I promise. And I have the tiny little nose. You can't see it. So what we're gonna do, oh, I also made the ears, but I have those in the fridge chilling because I wanted them to be a little hard before I put them on. So I'm gonna put the eye. I'm gonna do it facing me because this is gonna be a little hard. Okay, so there's the eyes. Looks a little weird, huh? here's the mouth.
And now, Pikachu and the nose. And the nose.
Yes, the nose. Here's the tiny little nose. So here's the creepy little face. It kind of reminds me like that character from what is it called? Mommy, go with my. I don't remember. The Adventures of something, but that yellow blob that has his arms like this. It reminds me of him, but it's not. We are making Pikachu. So now we have the blush little cheeks. We are gonna put these right here. Oh, how cute is this? Oh my God, this is adorable.
I love it.
You love it?
Oh, so cute.
So cute.
It's a Pikachu.
Mm-hmm.
And a cake.
In the cake. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the ears. Okay, so here's the ear. I might have made it a little too big. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut this. But here's the ear. At the end of the day, I'm just gonna place this up here.
And the ear. And the ear. And the ear. And the ear.
Can you guys picture it? Isn't it adorable? Okay, so once I have the final look, I will go ahead and show you guys. Okay guys, so I honestly did not have any time to take any pictures. I am currently doing a voiceover right now, but I went ahead and attached a picture of Milo. This is the only picture I have with the cake, and I will also attach a cute little video of Milo smashing his cake. I thought it was the funniest thing ever. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, follow, whatever you guys want. Let me know what you guys think, and hope you had a good time. Bye bye. Mordida!